Hi everyone, welcome to another video. As a small business owner, how do I do my accounting? Now, when I started my small business journey, I bought a book that says how to run a small business. And it's basically my reference manual that I use to go back whenever I have a question. Now, obviously as I started buying stuff, and collecting the receipts, I knew as a business owner you had to file them, classify them in a certain way. So what I did is I started using an accounting software like QuickBooks, and basically it has made my life so much easier. And it basically goes through my bank account and asks me the question saying, okay, what is this expense? What is that expense? Let's classify it. And basically gets all the accounting documents ready for my accountant to take over. It's been a game changer and I definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for your time.